This is AZ-104 exam questions. So here we have a very straightforward question which says you have an Azure virtual machine named VM1. The VM1 was deployed by using a custom Azure Resource Manager template named arm1.json. It says you receive a notification that VM1 will be affected by maintenance. You need to move VM1 to a different host immediately. And the solution this question is actually providing is that from the redeploy blade, you click redeploy. Does this meet the goal? Well, let's go to our Azure platform. So if I go to my Azure platform here, you can see we have a virtual machine. This is actually a Windows 11 operating system. And it says if you go to my redeploy, here you can see we have our redeploy. And then when I click redeploy, you can see it says can't connect to your virtual machine, or if you're having issues, just like the question says, that you receive a notification that VM will be affected by maintenance, so you need to move it to a different host immediately. The only option option you have is actually to redeploy the virtual machine. You see, when you try redeploying your virtual machine, which will migrate it to a new Azure host, well, this actually meets the goal of this question. And the only way you can move, when you move it to then to move to a different host, and again it says the virtual machine will be restarted and you will lose any data on the temporary drive. Well, any data on the temporary drive means that any drive you're actually connected, for example, like the D drive, E drive, or F drive, all information on those drive will be lost. But if all your information on your C drive will still be saved, so you will not lose any data on your C drive. So you should have that in mind. Well, if I click redeploy, this is going to redeploy. You can see it say redeploying virtual machine. It's going to redeploy the virtual machine and then take it to a new host. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave a comment in this video, like this video to help me grow my channel. Bye.